Hi, this is Phil Castleberg, the proprietor at Manawa Community Living Center. I'm here today to give you some points on choosing the best possible senior care living facility, whether it be for long-term care, rehab, assisted living, or retirement living. We're going to talk about three things that are really important to look at when choosing a facility. The first is the staff. How do you know the staff is really top of the game in the facility you're choosing? The first thing you should do is look or ask what the staff turnover is in the facility. This will give you a really good idea if this facility is being managed appropriately and if the staff are content and happy. The second point is the credentials of the staff. Ask how many registered nurses there are in the facility. Ask what the staffing hours per patient day. And in fact, these are all legally required to be posted and readily available to you. And finally, ask how many of the staff have been there for a prolonged period of time. If you go to a facility where staff have been there 5, 10, 15 years, you know you've got a winner. The second way to help pick a good facility is to ask for the most recent state and federal inspections. And also any complaint inspections in the previous 12 months. This will give you a very good idea if the facility is in compliance with all the state and federal regulations. The typical number of inspections for the average nursing home is between 6 and 10 citations. If a facility has less than that, it's because they are top of the game. And finally, the last point that you should be considering is the safety of your resident. Two things. One, how many falls have occurred in the facility in the last 12 months? Does the staff assess and monitor that resident? And if they do, the chances of falls are much diminished. And the last point of really good interest is infection control. You may not realize this, but in hospitals and nursing homes, the greatest risk of illness and death is acquired infections in the facilities. So you may want to inquire as to the rate of infections and what the facility does to monitor and to control infections in the facility. Well, thank you very much for watching our video. And if you'd like to have more information, go directly to our webpage.